My God, it's so wet. Alex, look. Oh my God.
Elsie's loving it.
Oh, you can actually see the road now.
Elsie, now you know what happens on the green. Look at that make us get out. You will be ready. We're not. Oh, I wish I was on Leon. Yeah, I nominate Elsie. I nominate Kissy. No, Elsie.
For what now?
Pushing the bus.
I'm alright. Oh, there's a guy.
Hi, bus driver. How are you doing?
Is he the bus driver?
He's the other one.
God, no way! Why?
He won't let us go now.
Why?
He's stopping us because of the BMW.
There's a BMW stuck, seriously.
BMW stuck in the
Where?
right at the top.
I can't even see it. Oh my God.
Look, it's not up in the place. Oh, come on, if you're the bridge, it'll be easier.
Yeah, that's what.
Don't be gay! Oh, Miller, you know little river, yeah?
Just run over the blooming BMW. I don't think it's gonna last anyway.
It's just going to be water or something there.
Yeah, it's amazing. Oh, this side's really dry.
Oh, I love that.
Jack! Jack! Is he on the bus? No. There he is. Mum.
There he is.
We tried going through the water, but now we have to turn around, and now I don't know what's happening.
We're going for the Ridgeway.
Going the ridge way, because that's the only way we can go.
Oh, it's all found doing it to us. I found this taking us around. Checking
Your dad wanted to know if you were on the bus.
Tell me someone. Oh, Dad! Miller! There's a big, big river coming down there. Firebrook.
I want to see Holly.
Somebody
Quickly right up.
Oh, this is so cool.
Where are you? I'm filming, I know. Shit. Film it. I am filming. Oh my God. Oh my God. How long have you been filming for? Oh wow. Pretty much 3 minutes. I did tell you. Oh my God, I would be filming right now.
Get back.
Would you? Yeah, it's like 4 o'clock, you know. Seriously. Where's the other bus?
You kicked Elsie out, see?
I didn't.
That's crazy.
I don't think anyone cares where they were originally sitting now anyway.
Yeah. Someone call the fire station. Sitting out. I'm sorry, you didn't know. I am.
Scary. I've never gone the Ridgeway on a bus before.
Actually. Miller! Sorry, Miller!
My God. It's 12D. Can we see everyone? Right, I'm stopping now. Bye! Alex! Actually, no, I'm going to keep it going. I might as well get to the Ridgeway.
It's like literally coming over it. Put it on YouTube.
Yes! Oh my God! No, that's going to be on YouTube, you realise. So put it on YouTube.
She took every colour comes back.
Do I look alright? Okay, pass it back.
I know. She just said, oh well, we missed
Oh God, look, they got like it's flashing lights out. Alex, it's flashing lights.
There's too much
husband being a good for it.
The BMW stuck in it, yeah, you get it.
Yeah, the bus. Oh my god, was it only 2 buses as well? I want to know if they're taking over. Hey, cheaters. It's been on pause for ages. It's a phone call. Oh my god, I missed the fire brigade. Oh, you could have told me! Oh my god, really? That's not. Looks a bit like it though. This is so totally going on YouTube. Great. That's right.
Where's my son?
You're just keeping on me, thank you.
Actually, I had imagined.
Oh my god, Alex!
Oh my god, we're gonna get him at like 5 o'clock.
I know, because my mum's back late tonight anyway, and she was like, oh, so I might get back before you then.
Oh my god, Mike! Oh, speak forward.
Oh, look at that. Oh, we're going back through here. Can we go on this side? Yeah, go through. When did we start recording? It was at finale, weren't it?
Yeah, when we first got there.
Oh my god. Where?
Take any more pictures on your camera?
I know. I think we got this in our hands,
I
though.
realised I think I've got my camera.
Film.
I can't be bothered now. We've probably gone through it all. Oh my god, let's go through the Ridgeway.
I was going to say, the Ridgeway's got some big dips.
Exactly. Oh my god, we're not going to get home.
Really?
We've been to the side of the road.
Where?
There, I think.
Oh my god, I want to see the red car.
Look at
what? A red car stuck. Really? Apparently. Oh my god, look at it all. I don't know if it's still stuck. There's a car! Oh, they're pretty. That's pretty gutted. I think the red car's gone now. It's Florence Street.
Yeah.
This is where I've been going the last few days. They don't want to stop me from going to St. Florence. Morgan, James. What are you on about? In my year. Do you remember Morgan?
It's like we're stuck in a flood of sand. Has anyone got
I know, I need to text Morgan and Emily, because they're both from the St. Florence first.
Oh yeah,
Can I just text Lewis? Okay, you tell me it's like, we're in Cobham and filming. Oh my god, what's happening?
How's that? It's stuck in a flood. It's like, has anyone got a dinghy by any chance?
I want to text Emily, but I can't. Oh no, it's getting a bit over time. Right, I'm going to stop at 10 minutes and restart. Check my messages and restart. What, so you can put 2 videos on? Yeah. Okay. Okay, you ready? I'm going to go off it now. Okay, bye.